Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Tinder account has been banned. So for this, first of all, just open up the Google application here. Then in the search bar, just simply search for Tinder support. Now tap on the top link saying submit a request. Just simply tap on it. Once you're on the Tinder help page, you need to fill out a request form. Select your issue here. After selecting the issue, you have to tap on this what's going on, and you can see this option my account was banned. Just simply tap on it, and now you have to scroll down. You have to enter your email address, then your phone number, and then the description, like what information should we know, please provide as much details as possible. Now you have to tell them that your account has been banned, or if you know what you did, you can tell them that this happened and that's how your account is banned. Then you have to add attachments here. You can put screenshots here of your banning account, and then you have to tap on this submit. Then Tinder will receive your request and hopefully they will contact you, and if your account is in position to unban, they will surely unban your account. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.